What's up, guys? My name is Chicken.
And my name is Turkey.
And today, we're filming our introduction video for our channel. Hi, guys. Anything you want to say?
No, I'm a chicken.
I'm Chicken, you're a turkey, okay?
I also have lots of boys in the background.
If you want to know one thing about Turkey... Wait, am I Turkey? No, I'm Chicken. He owns a white van.
What? Oh, man's great.
Nothing, you didn't need to hear that.
I do have kids in it.
No. Please bleep that out. That is not true. That is not true.
But why? I'm not supposed to lie, am I?
No, you're not supposed to lie, but you're not supposed to say stuff like that.
Why?
Bro, this is the worst introduction video ever.
I love it.
I love it.
You should, if you can't show it, just I can send it.
I can't, but I'll just read the messages out to you once my messages loads. Bye. 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 Bye.
Somebody just saying butt now.
Bro, I'm not saying butt. The only person that's saying butt is you.
Butt. I broke my phone.
Okay, well.
After
Subscribe!